biotechnology means a lot of things, and the definition is using technology with biology, and by that definition there's all sorts of biotechnologies we already use in beef cattle production, artificial insemination, estrus synchronization, and often we're also using it in the more modern sense, if you will, of genetic engineering and cloning. And I think that technology and biotechnology has made tremendous advances in the genetic improvement of our livestock. If you look at the improvements we've made through the use of EPDs and breeding, we've had tremendous advancements. And then there are newer biotechnologies coming along, sequencing and genetic engineering, that might also enable us to select our livestock and have genetic improvement and have a more efficient, productive, sustainable beef supply chain. So some of the challenges associated with biotechnology, of course, is making sure that you're using the right biotechnology for a particular environment. And some of the biotechnologies we might use in US agriculture, for example, estrus synchronization and artificial insemination, may not necessarily translate well to developing countries, but other things like vaccines would be very appropriate in that particular environment. One of the challenges we have in the US with regards to biotechnology, and specifically the biotechnology of genetic engineering, is there's a lot of activist opposition to that technology. And even though we've got 17.3 million farmers throughout the world that have been growing these crops for over 20 years and are obviously deriving benefits from it because they keep planting those, I think that we see a lot of opposition to genetic engineering of animals. And as a scientist, I think there's a lot of benefits that could come from that technology, and I don't want to see a technology arbitrarily blocked without doing a real cost-benefit analysis and having a look at both the risks but also the benefits, because to my mind there's a lot of things like disease resistance that you could target using genetic engineering where the benefits very much outweigh the risks associated with the use of that biotechnology.